Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on casual digest on YouTube. It's very easy and simple. Now let's start. First open YouTube app and then tap on U button. Now tap on gear icon. This is located on the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on notification settings. Now tap on casual digest. See here, after tapping, you can get all your notifications as a daily digest at 7 p.m. Tap to customize daily time. Now you can customize this. See here, now I set 8 p.m. Then tap on OK. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos like this. Thank you.